What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 per email. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, hang tight and stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 per email. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And lastly, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, please direct your attention to the description below. Check where it says free giveaways. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So once you subscribe to this channel, if you're new, subscribe to this channel, scroll down there, click on that link where it says free giveaways, and it's going to take you to a website where you can get 3 free gifts for you to have. Now, these 3 free gifts will help you on your journey to make money online. So get those, go ahead and click on that link and get those free gifts. Also got some other free cool stuff in the description below, so check all that out. Now, please watch this video to the very end so you know every step you need to take to earn $5 per email. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called playerup.com. And what you're going to do is sell emails. So this doesn't have anything to do with email marketing or anything like that. You're just going to be strictly selling email accounts. And how you're going to do that, I'm going to show you in the next step how you're going to do that. And you're probably wondering why people are buying email accounts, because when you can make an email account for free. Well, with Gmail account, you can make so many because you have to verify the accounts with your telephone number, and they only allow so many. So once you get to a limit, you can't make any more email accounts. So that's when this website comes in, where people come here and buy email accounts so they can, make more accounts. And we're going to go ahead and sell that to them. Now you're probably wondering how we're going to sell these email accounts. And I'm going to show you that in the next step. So first, let me show you the marketplace where they're selling these email accounts and how much they're selling them for. So what we're going to do is scroll down here all the way to the bottom. And we're going to go where it says all other games marketplaces. Click on that. Then you're going to look for the letter G. So you're going to click on G. And then you're going to look for Gmail OG. Click on that. And here we are. We're at the marketplace for Gmail OG accounts, buy, sell, and trade. So let's scroll down here. And as you see, they're selling email accounts. Say buy Gmail account for $1. That's real cheap. And here's another one for $1. Now it's gonna start increasing. So selling 2019 created Gmail at cheap. Daily supply ability 1,000. So there's $5 for that. You can get a lot of emails for $5. And here's one selling from 15 to 50 Gmail accounts for 10. And so you can go even a little bit higher. Here's one 20 to 100 Gmail for sale for $5. For $15, and here's one for $5. So they got many different prices, but it seems like the highest you can go is like 15. Now you're probably wondering, why are we going to create all these email accounts, or how are we going to create all these email accounts if Gmail only give you a limit of so many using your telephone number? Well, I'm going to take you to a website where you can create as many email accounts as you want. So let me go to that website right now. All right, I'm at the next website, and it's called Receive SMS. So it says receive SMS online instantly. Now, it says here, ReceiveSMSs.com is a free service for receiving SMS messages and voicemails online. There is no need to register. Just select your phone number from the list below, and you can use it to receive messages from Facebook, Telegram, WeChat, VK, PayPal, Alipay, and more. So what you're going to do is use this website to get dummy numbers or fake numbers. And what you're going to do is it's going to SMS you a code that you would need when you're setting up your email account. So you can set up a mini email account using this website here. So let's just scroll down here. So you can, if you're in UK, you can use a UK number, United States number, France, Czech Republic, Russian Federation, Israel, Ukraine, Poland, Canada. So all around United States, Canada, and Europe, you can get these numbers and use these numbers to make more Gmail accounts. So that's the two methods, the two steps you're going to take to implement this method. All right, now you know the websites you need to use to implement this method. So go ahead and go to those websites, start producing those emails, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please do me this favor and hit that like button. And let's try to get to 25 likes, guys. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method and how to make it work. And please share this on the internet everywhere and everywhere on social media. And lastly, you gotta subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this every day. All right. Thank you again for supporting this channel. Keep supporting, keep watching, Grind Family. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you. And before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuce, deuce, deuces.
Grind TV.